Welcome back, Buy Smart fam. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two top contenders in the robot vacuum world: the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop, and the Eureka E10s Robot Vacuum. Let's see which one comes out on top. First up, let's talk about the Moolah. The Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop comes in at a wallet-friendly $299. Perfect if you're looking to get a robot vacuum without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Eureka E10s Robot Vacuum is a bit more of a high roller at $699. For that price, it better clean up my house and my life. If you're on a budget, Tikom's your guy. But if you're ready to splurge, Eureka's got your back. Next, let's talk about suction power. Tikom packs 2700 PA of suction, which is pretty strong and great for everyday cleaning. However, Eureka takes it up a notch with a whopping 4000 PA suction power. It's like having a black hole on your floor. Goodbye dust, goodbye pet hair, goodbye everything. Reviewers say that Tikom is quieter and gentler on furniture, while Eureka is praised for its powerful suction and thorough cleaning. Navigation is crucial for a robot vacuum. Tikom uses gyroscope smart navigation, following a zigzag path, which reviewers found to be 30% more efficient than random path vacuums. Eureka, however, comes with precision LiDAR navigation. It's like having a GPS for your vacuum. It avoids obstacles, plans routes, and probably knows more about your house than you do. Reviewers love Eureka's precise mapping and efficient navigation. Tikom has some cool tricks up its sleeve: 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping, self-charging, and even voice control. Reviewers appreciate its versatility and the effective mopping function. Eureka, though, takes it to another level with a bagless, self-emptying station, a HEPA filter, and excellent app control. It's praised for its convenience and eco-friendly design. Tikom is like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums, while Eureka is like having a personal butler who also happens to be a neat freak. Battery life is another biggie. Tikom will return to its charging station when the battery is low, ensuring it's always ready for action. But Eureka boasts up to 180 minutes of runtime. That's 3 hours! Enough time for a whole house clean. Reviewers note that Tikom is great for maintenance cleaning, but may not fully replace manual cleaning, while Eureka's long battery life is a standout feature. Based on Amazon reviews, Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop is praised for its affordability, quiet operation, and effective cleaning on hard floors. However, it may struggle with carpets and has a shorter battery life. Eureka E10s Robot Vacuum is lauded for its powerful suction, precise navigation, and convenient self-emptying feature, making it a premium choice for those willing to invest. So there you have it, folks. Both the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop and the Eureka E10s Robot Vacuum bring some serious game to the table. Tikom is budget-friendly and versatile, while Eureka is a high-end powerhouse. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your wallets happy.